Hi, this is Part 18 Auth0 tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about add extra claims into token. You can add custom claims into both your ID token and access token. Auth0 recommends to use a namespace format. Namespace format means you need to use any non-Auth0 HTTP or HTTPS URL as a namespace identifier. And this URL doesn't have to be an actual resource. Let's go and practice. Let's back to our Auth0 dashboard. Let's create a new rule. Let's save it and have a try. First, let's open the real-time log and run the application we created before. We try to log in. So you can see there's a token transaction here. Click into it. And we copy the access token first. And then you can see our custom claim is successfully added here. We also copy the ID token. And the custom claim is also added. Simple, right? In the next tutorial, we are going to talk about how to call external API. Thank you for watching.